Toyota started the production of the all-new Tundra at the factory in Texas. In order to prepare for the production of this model, in 2019 there was an additional investment of $391 million, which included expanding the facility to accommodate new processes and cutting-edge technologies to bring the redesigned powerhouse truck to loyal customers. This includes preparations to assemble a hybrid electric version Tundra, the brand's 12th electrified vehicle that will go on sale in early 2022. This factory has 3,200 employees and the annual capacity to build 208,000 vehicles. Enjoy this process.